This video is part 4 of a very important topic, how to find a driving on a suspended license lawyer. This video focuses on what you need to know after you hire a drive on suspended license lawyer. If you haven't seen parts 1, 2, and 3, you should watch them. I go through how to use Google reviews to find a really good driving on a suspended license lawyer. One of the videos goes through the questions to ask before you hire that lawyer, and another video goes through the questions you need to ask in regards to costs. I mean, how much it would cost to hire that lawyer, and I've included links to all those videos in the description below. Now, after you've hired a driving on a suspended license lawyer, here are 5 key things you need to know really to get the best possible outcome for your case. First, your case will take time. When the police charge you with driving with a suspended license, that charge sets in motion a serious legal proceeding against you. There's very specific rules regarding how your case will be handled through the legal system. There are no shortcuts, and that legal proceeding will take time. At minimum, you're probably looking at a few months, and in some cases, maybe up to 18 months. Bottom line, you need to be patient. 2, expect time gaps. As your case progresses through the legal system, there are times when your case will be put before a justice of the peace in a court proceeding. However, many times, these dates are just administrative in nature. In other words, they're just check-ins with the court to let the court know that the case is proceeding and moving forward. In between these court dates, there are time gaps, and you may not be hearing from your lawyer during these time gaps. That is okay and normal and should be expected. 3, make sure your lawyer knows how to get in touch with you. As I just said, you should expect time gaps where you don't hear from your lawyer. However, when your lawyer needs to get in touch with you, it's critical that your lawyer has the most up-to-date information so they can contact you. That means, if you change your mobile number, if you change your email, if you change your home address, let your lawyer know ASAP. They need to know how to get in touch with you. 4, be responsive to your lawyer. If your lawyer needs something, get it to them ASAP. Remember, driving under suspension is a serious charge with serious penalties. When your lawyer needs something from you, it's because they need it to help fight your case. So don't procrastinate, just get that information to them. 5, pay your fees. If you're on a payment plan, make sure you pay your fees on time. Lawyers don't like chasing clients for payment. We don't have the time or the resources to do that. Pay on time and without hassle. Let your lawyer focus on fighting your driving on a suspension license case and not on chasing you for fees. As a next step, we have a great video you should watch. It's called Drive While Under Suspension Penalty, 5 Things You Need to Know. You can find the video on your screen. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for a confidential and free consultation.